guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new strategy for boom and crash. I'm giving you this strategy out to you guys to use and kill the forex market, mostly the synthetic market, guys. So this strategy actually works perfectly well. I've been using it on my own real account, and I've been using it and I've been able to flip an account from $1,000 to $4,000, which I'll be showing you guys in this video. So looking at this now, you see that I had a deposit of $999. Using the indicator on my price action strategy, I've been able to flip this account from $1,000 to about a $3,000 profit. That's total of $4,000 on this account. So mind you, this strategy is very powerful, guys. It's a very powerful strategy that can flip your account in a matter of weeks. Okay, it's in a matter of weeks. So looking at this now is a live account. You can see the CR5, what's what there. And my risks is very small, and if I win, I win very big. Okay, guys. So looking at that now, that shows that we are professional at what we do, and we are very good traders. Okay, so that's that. There's nothing to talk much about, right? So right now, let's dive in back to it. Please endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and endeavor to also follow us on the Telegram channel. Once again, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive straight into it. Let's look at Boom 1000, and let me show you guys how to actually use this strategy. All right. So it's a very simple strategy, guys. It's very simple. So looking at it as simple as it is, we're going to be using the 1 minute time frame and the third zoom level. Okay, guys. So we're going to be using the 1 minute time frame and the third zoom level. So what we want to be doing, guys, is we want the indicators. All right, we want the indicators in the indicator window. All right, we want to be selling. All right, so whenever the market gets to the sell zone, whenever the market gets to this area, here, so you should be, that's your sell zone. All right, you should be looking for opportunities to sell. Why should you be looking for opportunities to sell? Because it is at the overbought, so you should be looking for opportunities to sell. Before you enter, you want the indicator in the indicator window to cross over just like this. So the moment it crosses over, you can take your sell, take your 10 candles, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. Your zoom level should just be like this. This is absolutely perfect, guys. So you don't hesitate, you take a trade and be patient, let it play out. So now looking at this again, same thing over and over again, and you're gonna keep killing the market, guys. You're gonna keep killing the market. You see, you would have had your nice perfect entry around somewhere here after the crossover. Same thing, the sell zone, the market got to the sell zone, you could have just taken your sells at that area and then rode it all the way to like your 10 and 20 level, which is your buy zone. Then you start looking for you start waiting for it to spike. Okay, then before you can actually get an opportunity. You see, you could have just sold here, right? 10128, just sell, take your 10 candles, your 20 candles, whatever one you want, and be satisfied, guys. You don't have to be greedy. So this strategy actually works well, guys. You just have to test it with patience, and then you have to test it with patience, guys. You have to test it with patience. And you see here that it was at our sell zone, so you could have just sold it easily and then take your profit, guys. So this strategy actually works. It actually works very well. So now looking at this now, this is very perfect. So you see, with this strategy which I'm giving to you, though it looks very simple, okay, a lot of you guys are going to direct it, guys, but please don't. All right, because it's going to make you money. So you see, we went to our sell zone, then the moment it crosses over, you just take your 10 candles, just ride it, take the ride, guys. You just take the ride, guys. So you see, it sold all the way to this area where you could have made a lot of money, guys. Could have just made a lot of money. So this strategy is simple. Let me not overemphasize, okay? I don't want to talk too much. This stuff actually works, guys. It actually works. So you see, you could have just entered here and then see same thing here. Could have just entered, and then you enter there, which is your sell zone, and then you take a profit, guys. So it works. We can go on and on and on, and you see this is it. So after this, I'll be looking at the crash 1000, then I show you the settings, and that's all. So you can use it to kill the market, guys. So you see, this is our area where we could have entered. So you see, I just mark them out for you guys. So you could have just entered and then kill the market, guys. So this is the last area which I wanted us to look at. So you could have just sold, and you make money using the strategy, guys. You make money using the strategy. So now let's enter to crash 1000. Let's look at crash 1000 and look how to actually trade crash 1000. For boom 1000 and boom 500, you'll be looking forward for selling opportunities. While on crash 1000 and crash 500, you'll be looking forward for buying opportunities, right? So like I explained before, so you see this area here, guys. You could have like you could have had your entry here, and then looking at let me show you the zoom level to use. Okay, zoom 1, 2, right? Zoom 1, 2, all right. Second zoom level for iPhone users, and third zoom level for Android users. Okay, so you see, you could have just look at this. It came to this area, and if you check, and then what happened? We had a nice, wonderful crossover. You can actually see yourself that it crossed over, right? It went to our sell zone, which is this area. Okay, it went to our sell zone, and then we had our crossover, and then you could have just bought, take your 10 candles, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market, guys, without any hesitation. Guys, without any hesitation. So let's look at some more examples. Guys. So let's look at some more examples, so that you get to actually understand what I'm talking about, guys, so that you get to see for yourself. So same thing again, this thing repeats itself over and over again, guys. So you see this area, you see here, you see the crossover, then you could have just entered. You see it was on our buy zone, and then you could have just entered on the crossover. So you see the buy zone, it was here, the buy zone, which is a optimal entry, guys, the optimal trade entry. So you could have just entered here and just take your buys, guys, without spike catching you. I'm telling you this thing. I can't lie to you guys. So you see, this thing actually works, guys. It works, man. It works. So you see, looking at this, you could have just taken your trade, guys. You could have just taken your trade. Take your 10 candles, your 20 candles, man. Take your 10 candles, your 20 candles. You don't have to wait for anybody, guys. You don't have to wait for anybody. Well, and if you feel that you can't trade on your own, guys, we provide signals. We provide signal services, provide account management services, guys. So you see, there was a crossover. You could have just entered, take your 10 candles, your 20 candles, and you're out of the market. Now, guys, what do? I'm going to be sharing the settings for this strategy to you guys. But before I share the settings, please endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, guys. And feel free to check us out on the Telegram channel, guys. And it will not take you anything. To just subscribe. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel. It will not take you anything. So just do us that favor to hit the like button and subscribe. Now let me just share the settings for you. So for the settings, we have the moving average, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Level, we have for the levels, there are no level at all. Okay, so for the iPhone users, you have the style. You just have to adjust it to be on this second area. Okay, so and then the full it has to be complete line, not the dotted lines. Okay, and then you click on done. Right, the next indicator we have is the relative strength index. And for the relative strength index, we have period 1, because we don't want to actually give consideration to that at all. Okay, so basically what we are focusing on for the moving average is the levels. Okay, so and the levels is just a key thing which we are mostly focused on. So for the levels, and for period 1, apply to close, star level is 20, 10, 80 and 90 level respectively. All right, for the style, you choose any color of your choice, and then When you're done, you just click on done, right, guys? And the last thing we have here is the moving average. For the moving average period, one, shift zero method exponential. Okay, apply to close. Levels, there are no levels. Style, you just put any color of your choice and you're done, and you have this wonderful strategy. So stay tuned, guys, and please endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow us on the Telegram channel. See you guys in my next video. Up and out.